Hello everyone, I hope that you have a great, wonderful Christmas. I'm finally back after a long break, but don't worry, I'll be here to stay and I'll be back to posting video every week. Today, I wanted to share with you a fun recipe that takes the flavors of Thai tom yum, but brings a fun twist that will get the whole family enjoying it. We base this on Hot Thai Kitchen's recipe, but this one has a bit more color and texture. You get the fresh crunch from peppers, the yummy Thai flavors coming from galangal, lemongrass and more, and a party of different textures thanks to the sausage, shrimp, peppers and onions. The great thing is that the only important ingredients are the tom yum herbs and the spaghetti. Everything else you can choose to add or choose to leave out. Or you can add your own fun ingredients that you have at home. To start with, you need to prepare the ingredients for the Thai tom yum paste. This part is the most time consuming, but it really adds the authentic Thai flavor. If you don't have the time, you could always buy Thai tom yum paste at your supermarket or online. If you make it yourself, you need about a thumb's worth of galangal, 6 lime leaves, 1 to 3 Thai chilies. So the first time we made it, we used 3 and found it quite spicy already. So you could do 2 if you can't handle your spice, or maybe just 1. Once you have cut these ingredients, you need to use a pestle and mortar to break them down into a grainy paste. Then you can pan fry the shrimp, and once cooked, put them to the side so that it's ready to add to your spaghetti. You can also cook your spaghetti now and put that to the side. You should take 2 minutes off the suggested cooking time because you'll be adding it to the heat later. The next step, you would slide some onions and saute them in the same pan you used to cook the shrimp for some extra flavor. If you don't have shrimp or squid, you can just replace them with any kind of meat, but we found shrimp was the most suitable. Once the onion has sauteed, add the mushroom next along with a splash of fish sauce. Or if you don't have any, a tiny pinch of salt can work too. Let that cook for a few minutes and then add in the tom yum paste. You should also add 400 grams of tomato passata or canned tomatoes at this point. Mix it all together and then let it simmer for a while so it can thicken. At this point, you can taste it. If it's not spicy enough, you can add half a tablespoon of chili paste. We also recommend a tablespoon of fish sauce or a teaspoon of salt. If it tastes quite acidic, you could add a little bit of sugar to balance it out. Let it simmer more until it's at the thickest that you're happy with, and then you can mix in the peppers, spaghetti, shrimp, and some sliced hot dog sausages. Let it all cook together for a few minutes and then serve it while it's still hot. And there you have it, a fun meal that will appeal to the foodies and something that's fun enough to get even the most pickiest of eaters to give it a try. I hope you enjoy our take on tom yum spaghetti. Let us know what you think and let us know if you have any suggestion for what I could do next. Thank you for all the support. I live streamed with my husband and we played some Apex, and I published the stream as the video, and I found that many people really like to see me streaming. So what do you think if I stream 1 day per week, joining my husband's stream and play some Apex? And also you guys can join us as well. Let me know what you think, and thank you again. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Cheerio.
Cheerio.